Hello everyone, this is Michael with Quiet Lawn. Another question we get pretty often is about maintenance on our equipment. I wanted to make a video about this, but there's really not much to put in the video. The maintenance on electric equipment is 1% of what you have, what we used to have with gas-powered equipment. For example, our Ego equipment, aside from keeping it clean, keeping it dry, maybe putting some grease in the trimmer heads of the different trimmers every once in a while, maybe once a month or so, like you do with your gas-powered trimmers. There's really no maintenance. There's no belts, there's no filters, there's no gas, no oil, nothing like that to change. So really, there's no maintenance, aside from, like I said, lubricating your gears in your head. As far as the Mean Green mower, same thing. We just keep it clean. Change the tires out when the tires wear out, every so often, and put grease in the two front casters. That's really it, and changing blades, obviously, sharpening blades, but we spend almost no time on maintenance for our equipment. The Mean Green mowers are made, they're amazing mowers, and they're very dependable. And like I said, I think even their newer models, they have the greaseless fittings on the front casters, so you don't even have to do that. So aside from changing the blades and greasing the front casters, if you have one of the older models, that's really all the maintenance there is. Awesome equipment. Couldn't be happier with our Ego equipment and our Mean Green equipment. And like I said, while other guys are fooling with changing oil and doing all this other maintenance, we're able to keep that, we're able to spend that time doing something productive, something that makes money, taking care of our clients. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment or send us a message, and we appreciate you watching. Thank you.